If I'm going to vacuum my pool and I have a variable speed pump, do I need to adjust the pump settings, like the speed, before, during, or after vacuuming? What would your advice be?
I have no idea what speed they're in the pump at. I mean, you want to have more suction for sure when you are vacuuming it, because you are spot cleaning and you want to make sure whatever you're going over that it's going to pull it into the system. Typically, I vacuum on a high speed, and I'll just do that for the entire pool. The higher the speed, typically the easier and the faster the vacuum job goes. And then once you finish vacuuming, if you backwash your system or if you clean your cartridge or whatever, you just go back to whatever your regular setup is. But in general, usually the higher speed you have, the better when it comes to vacuuming. However, you don't want your speed to be too high, where if you have something like a vinyl liner pool, you get the vac head to start sucking against the liner, or even in a gunite pool, you'll get the head stuck and you won't be able to move it. So you want enough speed that you can move it, or that you can vacuum with efficiency, but not so high that you can't move the vac head at all.